Now, if the government is trying to bulldoze the sixth schedule area, which is very dangerous, without having any public consultations or without having any public meeting, that means they are trying to bulldoze the sixth schedule area, because the sixth schedule, our land custom systems and even the the land holding, everything is totally different. Now, just because they are in the government doesn't mean that they can bulldoze any form in any ways. Now, when we talk about the uranium, you see there's a lots of radiations, and the vicinity of that particular area will have certain effect of that particular radiation. Even now itself, we are seeing lots of radiation emitting, whether people from that area are always complaining regarding the the effect of radiations. Whenever there is a child born, whenever there is a any kind of a pregnant woman having any kind of a miscarriage and all, there's a lots of complaint coming from that particular area from our state. I'm talking about from our state. I don't know about the other state, but if that doesn't allow the public to come in and have a discussions, and they don't take the views and ideas from the leaders from the state and from within the villages, I think they are going to bulldoze the system itself. I don't think the state and the union government is trying to be fair, and for that the state government is not responding at all. Maybe just because there is some kind of a issue between the government of Meghalaya and between the government of India. Otherwise, by now, government of Meghalaya would have responded. Why they are keeping quiet regarding the uranium, whereas our people has been crying from the day one itself when they try to extract the uranium, when there was a leakages in that particular tank, particular tank, where lots of radiations, not only from the tank, even from the rivers, even from the streets, even from the atmosphere, the radiations was very much there. It was emitting. I could see some NGOs, they came and then they tried to detect all those radiation emitting from all over the area. So it's a very dangerous trend that they are trying to create right now.